So what is a list in Excel? Well, a list in Excel means that every column has a column heading, just like we see here. We can see the column headings of first name, last name, region, department year, target, deadline, and actual. You can't have a column without a column heading. Now you can have blank cells, and here's a perfect example here. I can have a blank cell because maybe I don't have a result to put in that cell yet, but that record still belongs in my list. But what you can't have is a blank row. If you have a blank row, Excel will believe that the first list is above the blank row and the second list is below the blank row, and it will believe there's actually two lists presented here. So you can't have a blank row, otherwise it won't see it as one list.